Meaning of excavate.
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 Excavate. Excavate refers to the act of uncovering and removing earth or other material from a particular site, often in order to reveal historical artifacts or structures. The result of an excavation can be significant discoveries or insights into the past, such as information about ancient civilizations, cultures, or geological features. These findings can shed light on human history and help us better understand our origins and development, as well as inform future research and exploration in the field of archaeology.